Yes, people, you don't know me the facts now. Yeah, man. We come for talk about the business. You see me? You don't know. Dancehall right now. It depends on a cruising mode right now. You understand? Yeah, man. But we really come for talk about, the unity thing and, some artists are link up, from such man forward from prison, unity and everything, and you don't know, and get visa, man, fly out, link up, all of them look at something. But over the years, when you check it, none of them artists always become giant. See? A rivalry make them become the giant, make people respect. It play a big major role in them career, like Bounty and Beanie. Know them good, cause you don't know, man, I get old and you see me not make no sense, in your old age, you still a war and all of them look something. And man get mature now and thing, and like in a young days and thing like prime, you understand? So, all that to say, people, that I never unity really build dancehall, you understand? Because, and when you check it, people, dancehall is the only genre where you will see a bag of artists on stage are dominating like this. You understand? Dancehall genre, like when you look like back in the days, coming up to now, because you still have young artists, more than one artist who up on stage and I do them thing and I share mic and all of them look something there. We don't really see that in a hip hop unless some of the time, like the big Super Bowl where did go on and every little thing, but on a regular basis, I just dancehall alone, we don't really do that. You understand? But some people say, oh, dancehall for unite, but uniting dancehall, what that really are gonna do? You understand? What that really are gonna do? Because at the end of the day, I know every artist are gonna everywhere in the world at the same time. You know, see 10 artists on a stage overseas, like on a regular basis, like artists book different place. You understand? But yeah, unity would be good, but do it play a relevant role in a dancehall really? You understand? And that's why you have people who talk about the king and this a man king and Ray. Like imagine everybody I move on the same pace, like dancehall or so. Like who would that be the king? Like if everybody that move on the same pace, like I just saw the thing go and I saw the thing build. You understand? So some of the time when you hear certain things, yes, people, so you don't know what I'm talking about unity and all of these things, and yeah, but everything you have good and bad. You understand? Because if the world did unite today, what would get done? Like why would there be a competition? Why would there be award shows and all of them look or something? If everybody did move on the same pace, why would that be so worthy for like try things like, you understand? Like say like all Olympics. Everybody move on the same pace. Zine, everybody make sure say each person go through the line the same. Like how would you have first, second, third? You understand? Because enough people will say, yo, unity, not saying me I try. Say, yo, me I try be bad or negative or whatever. But say, dancehall unite. Because the way your dancehall move is just naturally separated and have opponent and all of them little thing, their opposition. You understand? That's why you have politics. People have to pick them side. I just saw it go. You understand? Everybody have a side for pick. You understand? Because and every time things I mean neutral, you understand? Because if you're neutral with 5, Zine, if the one they fall, you can have the one here. But what the purpose? You understand? So this uniting a dancehall thing, you see me? And some of the time people will say, yo, Alkaline a stay to himself, or you see me, nah, look like he want to unite with the artist them and him not depend certain rhythm, him not depend certain collabs and all of them look something there. But if Alkaline do it, it would be a different thing because people then say, yo, him fall off, say him look come back and all of them look something there. You understand? He want to help and Ray and Tay and you see me? But that is just an example where same with other artists. You understand? A lot of artists just want them no want down the line, you hear them say, yo, them be forward and them look at strength and you see me? Because you don't know artists easy for fall out with certain things, you see it? But God naturally made this. You just have two things where I try to compete and all of them look something there. You understand? Because this is the thing, if you plant, no matter how you plant trees, if you plant trees one time, them no must come up with the same length. You understand? Yeah, one maybe a little inch or so grow different from another one. You understand? Because remember say dancehall not really build off a unity. Like back then, I be a back and forth thing did go on. Like you have Bounty and Beanie, you have Cartel or Movado, you have Alkaline them, you have Spragga Cartel, Assassin, a lot of things really go on in the dance and Ninja Man and what you call it? Cause remember, you know, especially look on Sting. Sting build off a and never Unity really big build Sting, you understand? It was all about Clash artists, Bounty, Ninja Man, Beanie. All of them artists originally depend on Sting, War and all of them look something there. It's just through the man them get, you know, reach at an age where them have to just put on that, you know. You understand? Because that drain a lot of energy. You see me? So them little thing there, dancehall thing. And you see, if people really understand what is dancehall, sometimes if you preach this unity thing, what that I go do, that I kinda cow down the genre, you understand? Because when you check it, dancehall is a competition thing, you know. You understand? So it now got really have the full 100% unity there. You understand? So remember say dancehall is like your dance off, it's like you're in a room and it's two hours off. It's like how you have in a dancehall, you have dancehall dancing competition. People dance off and all of them look say. That's why I name dancehall, you know. In a dancehall, you have competition and everybody are try to compete, you know. If the girl over there so, if the man over there so, girl and girl are try to see who can dance better. You understand? That's why you have the dancehall queen. Why you think you have dancehall queen? You see me? Which is the artist and you have the dancer. You understand? I know unity make them get that title, you know. And that are the thing, cause over the years, you know, people say, yo, dancer, unite. But when they check it, the other genre, them not really do that. You understand? We more are deep on a higher percentage. You see me? Yeah, we are deep on a higher percentage. You see it? I think I see one video with Popcorn and Skeng them link up and you see me?
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Them a do them thing, you don't know one little thing did I go on and word to say and way. And you don't know media stir up things and all of them because something, but them good you know, they must say dancehall unite. You don't know from cartel fall from prison. You don't know him say him done with the war, him want unite with everybody and Ray and you see me, but that only a benefit him. You understand? Because him no want to pressure to himself, him want everybody good. You understand? Which I don't like say my war, him could just come out and just do him own thing, do him Ray and you understand? Because remember him and him artists them when boss, him and them never good, so forward they know want everybody unite, they on the same stage and every little thing. You understand? Yeah, it's a good look for dancehall, which the benefit cartel. You understand? Cartel alone it really a benefit. You see me? Because him just father road him have the momentum and all of them look something there. So when some of the time, you know, people don't say, yo, certain artists now want unite and Ray and Tay and everybody are going to unite, you know. And sometimes people will say some things, but when it do happen and them see the reality, them say, yo, Jano, I never know say this would happen if this go on. You understand? Because you wouldn't want to know what is you wouldn't want to know when dancers unite. You understand? You wouldn't want to know that. Because trust me, there would be nothing to really talk about. You understand? The world never build off a unit. If the world unite right now, nothing get done. I tell you that nothing get done. You understand? It's a reason why the world can't unite. It's a reason. It's just human energy. You understand? Human energy. You see it? Why you think humans make with emotions? It's there. You understand? So it's like every time when you have somebody, why you think your girlfriend or your boyfriend, you know, why you think you always have arguments and all of them like something there? Like you have a woman and rather than sit down and talk and reason about things, her emotion just go up and then you ask her what going on and she just blow it out and that's how we make. You understand? We never make for unite all the time. You understand? We never make for unite. No matter where you try in this world, if you try to unite the world, it will not. Because the man them where, if you check the great man them where try to unite the world or unite people, them take them out. You understand? Them take them out. Because them no want that. You see? Them no want that. No, not everybody. That's why you have people where sell out people. People where, you understand? People will take money to take out them own beans and all of them look something there. You understand? I just saw the world set up. Although it's not good, but a reality we have to just accept it because what we are going to do, we can't really do nothing about it. You understand? You see me? Because if, like, some of the time, people have to born and people have to live. You understand? So it's like, if 10 somebody pass away today, 5 more born tomorrow. You understand? I just like that, recycle and every little thing. You see me? Reproduction system. But said to say, enough people would say, yo, if dancehall unite, it'll be a good look. But what you mean? What unity you mean though? Like, want to understand the unity, because sometimes we say something and we not think. You understand? Because when you check it, dancehall unite, but it's not unite to the way how people want seems. Like, yeah, you gotta have somebody when I rate somebody. You understand? And you gotta have somebody where just say, yo, on my side is on pick that side there, or over here some of there. You understand? Some people dedicate to them thing. It's like in a politics. You see me? It's like in a politics and thing where somebody has a JLP, somebody has a PNP. You understand? You still have the neutral people. It's gonna be all around. You have people where they one side over here A, so what represent for A, what represent for B, and what represent between A and B. You understand? But that is the thing. Imagine this now. The neutral people will say, yo, you know what? We not vote. And the people them over here so we vote over here, so people will vote over here. So the people them were neutral, you know. Nothing changes. You understand? Nothing no change. If you don't say yeah vote, if you don't vote, you understand? Nothing now get done. It's like the people them will vote for what policy where them think would are comfortable with them. Them a make a choice. That is a movement. Then the people them were neutral and say, yo, me not vote. You understand? Which things just happen like you would just when things start happening, it's like everything is caused by you, cause nothing get done. As me say, if unity, nothing no get done. You understand? Cause in a politics same way, if everybody get up out of Jamaica and don't vote, which that is impossible. Nobody now. Somebody have to vote. See? And them have to come with the right policy. Or whatever. Remember say no. If them do come, sometimes the policy not come true, sometimes them not do it. Them say them not do it, but them not do it. You understand? But I just saw like set up. You understand? You have neutral people, you have people who pick them side. And nothing not wrong with that. You understand? Nothing is not wrong with that. Like, dancehall wasn't made for unite. No, dancehall is not a unite genre. It's all about competition, all about reeling up people. Like, no, that gonna make the genre like if dancehall did really unite like back then, like Bounty them and you know work far from Alliance and all of them look something there. Like you wouldn't have enough bigger, you wouldn't have Ido in there, you wouldn't have Mother, you wouldn't have Cartel. Remember, you know, when them did their Alliance, you know, Zine, them cut and leave from the camp for go do them own thing, which them pick them own side. Them a do them own thing. You understand? Them wouldn't be the man today if them they still in the camp there. So if a uniting, all of the people them who did there in the Alliance, them a do them own thing now and it a do great for them. You don't know things for Cartel. You understand? Cartel maybe wouldn't get him kingship and you know things them we want to do and all of them. Same with Movada, same with Busy, all of them look something there. If that Alliance thing, you see, every group where in a dancehall, it always be separated. Check any group where dance like Alliance, Gaza, what you call it? You don't know Movada and Alkaline and something that they do something to. MVP, everything broke up. Everything it shows you say you're in a dancehall, nothing unites. It just naturally don't unite. Alliance was one of the biggest camp in a dancehall. And wait there now. Everything, every man gone about them business. Dancehall is a dominating thing, and one man a dominate now, then when him go next man forward. That is dancehall. Dancehall never make off a unity. You understand? Which we know say people want peace and every little thing. But not true people now unite means say it bad. No. Sometimes it better. You understand? Because if a man over here so him a do him own thing, the man in him space. You see what I try to say? Rather than in a group where every man a try do a thing and you understand? A man a do him own thing, own and control and all of them look. Seem like when every artist in the Alliance, the man them dead and like the man them want to do them own thing they want to do, but you know them have to listen to them general and general have to give them orders. Them don't want that it has stopped them from being them. So what happen? The man them separate from them thing and look at the man them now. Look on Vibes Cartel, look on Idonia, look on Elephant Man, look on all of them, Marshall, all of the people them from Alliance. Look on them now. The man them a do great without unity. From out of it, but yeah, but them still pay respect to Bounty Killer. You understand? But the man them a do great. If the man them did unite today, the man them would not reach to the levels. Because there would be suppression, there would be certain things where them can't do. You understand? All of the artists with Bounty and the film thing, him and them fall out like 99% of them have a little misunderstanding and thing. You understand? Some of them would do the same way, show them respect. But it's not like them still in an alliance like we and Marshall Busy and them little thing. You're not really here. Alliance thing gone, you're leaving at the past, you see me? But it's still a legendary name. And you know, link up and all of them little thing the Mover, the CM Speed, all of them little thing the people. You see what I try to say? So some of the time when we talk, we don't really understand what is unity to dancehall. You understand? We don't really know What's unity to dancehall? You see me? So if I saw we are go pre it not gonna really do good, because if every group in a dancehall you did unite and then it mash up, how the whole genre for unite? No matter what, let me tell you this, people. Because some of the time people are talking about unity and all of them things, but when them actually see what unity is, you're gonna see the difference there. Right now, you wouldn't have vloggers. Nobody not talk about nobody. It have to be competition in life. It have to be if there's no competition, there's no motivation. You understand? There's no motivation. If there was no competition on this earth, there would be no motivation. You understand? You wouldn't have Olympics, all of them something that people are trying to get goal, people are run, all of them look a thing there. Look on what Drake and Kendrick do there. Zine? And look, for sure, you know, one song where Kendrick do make the man get too much a Grammy. Look how much a Grammy the man get. Because of the impact of the song, because it was a clash thing. And we there I talk about unite dancehall. Look on the little thing with Jada Kingdom and Steph London. Give them one of them big highlights. You understand? I just saw a thing go. Muvard and Cartel are the same thing. Bounty and Beanie are the same thing. Alkaline do him thing. Him try have a popcorn. Him do it with the six them. You understand? It show a certain leverage. It no matter. Still competition and people are tuning into it and people have them side and pick them side. You understand? We there now. Yeah. You have some artists that do them thing and way. But if you don't feel like say unity, you go always make things better. No, so it work. I know so it work. You understand? Because if the world is unite today, we wouldn't love to see that world. Yeah, that may I tell you. Yeah? We wouldn't love to see that world today. Because remember, you know, everything will create energy, it have a negative and positive. You can't unite nothing for create energy. May I tell you that? Because if you have negative and negative on a battery, trust me, you're not getting no current out of that. You understand? And that's how mathematics work. Yeah, negative and positive. You understand? Which is plus and subtract. You understand? Mathematics, it run the world. You see it, so when you feel like say yo all the time things are gonna unite, and if dancehall want unite and left out some people, I say it go. But how long them are gonna unite for? Because some of the time you see like not true you see people and link up all the time. You feel say yo that's unity, like it's just respect. I know every time you see artists are link up, I just respect. You understand? So some of the time people will maybe I say yo dancehall are unite. I know I don't really unite that. When the man them gone them see him, the man them maybe a whole good, but because in their own certain man are dip on a stage already, it's just respect. You understand? A man might not really rate that man there, but him just they're on him same way, you see me? For just say yo respect that already. Look, a lot of things going on in the media with Cartel, Popcorn them, all are not nice and all of them things there. I know because of unity. I do respect with them respect Cartel. But them still go around Cartel and all of them look at something there. You understand? So some of the time when people say yo unity and all of them look at things there, yeah. Unity is positive, yes, but there has to be a negative to create that energy there. You understand? Because unite no means no conflict now go on. How much family out there where unite and come together, and then you still have somebody where not like somebody. The sister and brother not like nobody, and all of them look at something there. Like when somebody pass away and the family for unite, I one bag of problem. You always have problems some of the time, like when somebody pass away and everybody for unite. So when the grandfather and grandmother you pass away and if you unite now, you always have this 1 and 2 family where can't agree. Them just can't blend up. I want over here, I didn't think that one. I just saw the world set up. You see me? I just humans that. You see it? So there's in no way in this world there's something got to always be united. You understand? The only unite if one is positive and one is negative. But you're not gonna have no positive and negative where always you something have to create. You understand? They know team or nothing. Everybody always in the team. You can't tell me no group, no team when not have no problem. You know, you can't tell me no relationship, no family when not have no problem. I just saw life go. I have to just accept it. You understand? So sometimes you might feel like the artists are link up. No means say them good, 100% good. If you see 10 artists on a stage, no means say them good. Them just do them thing, but them still do them thing and them show respect them. No one cuss. But behind those when them come back to now like this a man not do this a man. Yeah? You understand? And if this a man ever say something, them gone back to the stage again. I just saw it go. You see me? I just saw it go. But unity never build. Dancehall never build off a unity. You understand? Or that me I tell you if